Hello all, let us see how to construct this 2D sketch using AutoCAD. I'll just start with the vertical axis line, go to AutoCAD tool, then drop a vertical line by keeping auto on. I'll take a length of 200. Now the axis line should be planned in such a way where based upon the sketch only we need to plan. The overall height of the sketch is, it is showing it as 120 followed by some more areas is there. More or less it is going to take up to 160 or 150. So plan your axis in that way. Don't take up to 40 mm or 50 mm. Okay. Then appropriately next sketch, whatever sketch you are going to draw, will fix appropriately on the screen. Okay. If you start drawing the circle directly, the size of the circle looks bigger than the axis line, and you have to move to other side of the screen. Many things you need to do. You will get confused. That is the reason. First line or first thing, whatever you draw, fix the dimensions properly and accordingly you can draw. I'm going to start from the bottom, which is this distance given is some 80 mm is there. So I'll go with the line. I'll take a line. I'll start somewhere here. You can start at the bottom also, but I'm going to start at this point 40. Enter. Top it is going to be 10. Enter. This is the 10. This is the 10 distance. Okay. Then I'll go with the. Let me check the sketch. Okay. Escape. This distance is 10. Yes. Now I'll go to the sketch again. I'll read the sketch once again. And at some distance, at a distance of 65, there is one more horizontal. Distance of 65, there is one more horizontal. So what I'll try to do, I'll say to offset, enter, through enter. This line, I want a distance of at a distance of 65. 65. This is one more axis line, horizontal, and fix it to the center. Now, other than this, there I need to drop a circle of 16 dia. One is 16 dia, and one more is 27. 16 radius. One is 16 radius. One more is 27 radius. I will draw two circles concentrically at the same point. One is 16 radius, and one more is 26 radius. 16 radius and 26 radius. Let me check again. 16 and 26. Okay, and here there is a fillet of 8. So to draw that 8, what I need to do, I need to draw a tangential line from here. A line will be dropped, and I'll take a line again. I'll connect with this because these dimensions are not given. This length is not given in the sketch. So I remove unwanted TR double enter. This is not required. This is also. In between there is a fillet of 8 radius. I can use that. Simply I'll go with fillet between this line, a radius of 8, and enter this line. This is how I'm going to get. Okay, later portion I just try to mirror it. Now till here we done. There is a slot here of 20 by 8. 20 by 8 is an offset distance of 15. So I just offset this line to 15. There I'll try to drop one rectangle. Simply I'll add with this. A rectangle of what size? Let me check. Rectangle of 20 by 8. I'll go with this. I'll take a rectangle option. Drag a rectangle. Rectangle of 8 tab 20. Okay. Then I just move it, M, enter, select, enter, center point, and match with this point. Now this line I can do. This is how. This is one more way of creating a sketch. Okay, I can create and I can add with the existing sketch. That is one more way. Or else I can straight away draw the sketch. Then and there you see. This is 20. This is supposed to be 27 radius, but I took it 26. I think this radius. I need to check with this. It is 26, which is wrong. I took it wrong. Let me remove these two lines and this circle also. I'll remove this line also. I'll take a circle. The radius is supposed to be 27. Then take a line and drop it from here. And again a line from here. I'll take trim, TR double enter, unwanted ones. And a fillet between this one, select radius of 8, enter. This one. Till here it is completed. Then later stage, here there is one more circle at an offset distance of 28. This circle offset enter at 28. Let me cross verify whether it is right or wrong. Yes, 28 from the center. And here the radius is not given. The radius is not given. We'll make it to some number. Let me see. Okay, that I'll draw later. Before that, there is a fillet here, there is a fillet here. At the top end, from base 120, there is one more locus. There is from base O, enter, one more locus of 120. At that 120, we supposed to select like this. They we need to draw sketches. Alright, what are the sketches? Circles are there. Internally there is 26 diameter, externally there is 22 radius. 26 diameter, 22 radius. 26 diameter means 13 the radius, this is one. And externally there is a radius of 22 with the same center. This is how it is done. And here also this side 54 is the 54 is the width or offset distance between two circles. So 54 divided by 2, 27. There is one vertical axis line. Select offset and a distance of 27, one line. One more at a distance of 27. Alright, there I need to draw a circle. Internal, okay, leave about the internal. Externally, the circle is having 13 radius. That 13 radius, I'll draw it here. This is of 13 radius. One more circle of 13 radius. Now these are the two circles. We need to give fillet between, which is 9 radius. Simply I'll take a fillet option between this line and this line. Again, or else you can fix with the help of line followed by radius with of 9, enter between these. This is also one of the ways. Now unwanted things, try to remove unwanted things. TR, W, enter, these are not required. These are not required. These are not required. All these unwanted curves need to be removed. This is how it looks like. Other than this, there are two more circles of internally 3 holes of 14 diameter, means 7. Internally 14 diameter. So C, enter. At this point, 7, 1 radius, enter. I am repeating the task. Here is one more 7. Repeating the task. At this point, you have one more circle of 7. This is how the component look like. And internally, I would like to mirror this. Let me remove unwanted. TR, double enter. This line is not required. This is also. I'll try to mirror lines like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by taking mirror option vertically 1 and 2. No. Again I'll repeat the task 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. By taking mirror option, 1, F8 should be on, ortho should be on, then the point. No, this is how the component look like. And axis lines, if you give a 2H color, then it look good. I'll go to construction, 2H, let me keep in some color. Now this is how the object look like. This is also an axis line, this is also an axis line. Keep it in dash and change the color. Alright, this is how it look like. And there is a fillet radius of 16. There is a radius of 16 between two circles. So between these two circles, let me check again. Yes. So take radius, take fillet from here, radius of 16, enter this line. Repeat the task, fillet from this, radius of 16, enter to this point. Now unwanted things, let me remove. This is the unwanted thing. And TR double enter, this is also 1, 2, 3. All these are unwanted things. And internally anything else, yes, this is also not required. This is also not required. This is finally, this is how the shape look like. So the given exercise or the task is completed simply with the help of few simple sketch tools. Now you can change the colors to make it more effective. We need to have a clear idea about how to change the colors, how to change the thicknesses. Then only it becomes easy for us to understand the layers. Layers is a key topic industrially when you work. Layers will help you out to unhide and hide, enabling, disabling of the component. Everything will be done. Now I selecting everything. If I remove the axis line, directly I can select the task. Now here I would like to change the thickness by 0.3 and the color some X color I have yellow color have it. This also yellow followed by thickness should be 0. Now this is how the component look like. One more is missing here. Let me change the color followed by the line thickness. So this is how the task given can be fulfilled. Okay. So task is fulfilled. Any queries you can comment in the box. Thank you for now.